Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
The subject of vortices might seem esoteric, but their impact does make headlines, as seen recently in an outbreak of tornadoes, swirling vortices that killed at least 80 people across 8 U.S. states in December 2021. A possible application of their research could help improve fuel efficiency for cars and help develop energy-saving aircraft designs, and more. Their vortex research was published January 2022 in the Annual Review of Fluid Mechanics. One takeaway from the study is that we find that where two opposite-signed vortices come together, they will reconnect and recombine to form two new vortices, with some remaining unreconnected parts left as threads, which can further undergo successive reconnections. Said study lead author Jia Ya. But as the two vortices are pulled and move apart, they pull these threads, which eventually dissipate. These details came out only through numerical simulations with supercomputers. Supercomputers solving vortex equations for the review study, Yao and Hussain were awarded supercomputer access to the Stampede 2 system at the Texas Advanced Computing Center by XSCDE, the Extreme Science and Engineering. Additionally, they took advantage of XSCDE's Extended Collaborative Support Services, ECSS program, which provides researchers with expertise to make the most of the supercomputer time awarded. We had a good connection and discussion with him, and he did a good job in profiling the code and finding problems, which improved its performance, Yao said. The growth of peak vorticity and entropy both address a very fundamental mathematical question that's relevant to a $1 million question posed by the Clay Mathematics Institute, who have pledged the money for a correct solution to one of several Millennium Prize problems. The question has to do with the formation of a finite-time singularity, FTS, of the Navier-Stokes equations, which can be stated as the issue of whether, given at some initial instant and smooth velocity field of finite kinetic energy, a singularity of the field appears within a finite time under EV. DNS computer simulations are used in computational fluid dynamics to solve Navier-Stokes equations without using a model, a computationally expensive method. He noted that simulations cannot give clear evidence of the existence of an FTS, because the length scale of the phenomenon inevitably decreases to less than the computational grid resolution. Using DNS to detect self-similarity during the initial approach phase and then introducing an appropriate scaling analysis near the singular time may be one pathway to address this challenging question. But little progress has been made yet along this direction, Yao said. We mainly reviewed recent progresses of vortex reconnection in classical viscous flows, including the physical mechanism, its relationship to turbulence cascade, the formation of a finite-time singularity, helicity dynamics and aeroacoustic noise generation, Yao said. In an earlier study, Yao and Hussain addressed two key underlying mechanisms in turbulent flows, turbulence cascade and vortex reconnection. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.